Meaning of idolatrous.
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 Idolatrous. The term idolatrous refers to the worship or excessive admiration of an idol or false god. This word is often used to describe the actions of individuals who place a great deal of importance on material objects, celebrities, or other figures that they regard as being of significant value. Such behavior can lead to a misplaced sense of devotion and can cause individuals to lose sight of what truly matters in life. Ultimately, those who engage in idolatrous behavior may find themselves feeling unfulfilled and dissatisfied, despite their apparent external success or achievements.